Hey guys, welcome to Phone Transformer. Today I'll show you how to reset Siri if it's not working on your iPhone. First, open the settings app, scroll down and tap Siri. Now tap talk to Siri. Here you'll see option like off or Hey Siri. First select off to disable Siri, then go back and same tap talk to Siri again. Now select Hey Siri, tap continue, then follow the on-screen instructions. You will be asked few words so Siri can recognize your voice. Simply repeat each word when prompt. Once the setup complete, Siri will be reset and ready to use again. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the Phone Transformer, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.